Just imagine you are standing outside a VIP gate. The guard is at the left side and you as a guest are at the right hand side. Okay. And you just want to enter or attend some function, but you need to pass from that VIP gate. First, the guard will ask you some questions. He doesn't just let anyone in. Okay, so he has the responsibility that he should ask some questions to you. So the first question he asks to you is, do you have a VIP pass? You will say, yes, I have it. Then he again asks you another question. Do you have a valid ID card? And you will again say, yes, of course, I have it. So that's exactly how nested if in Java works. So nested if means an if inside another if. That's nothing but nested if. It's so simple. Like decision inside a decision is called as nested if. Let's take our VIP get example and write it in Java. Let's suppose we have two variables. We are having valid pass and valid ID card. So that is why we have initially assigned these two variables with true values. Okay. And we have specified two conditions inside two if. First outer if is nothing but, do you have a valid pass? That we want to check. And if we have it, we want to again check, do you have a valid ID card? And if both of these conditions are truly getting satisfying, then only we can go inside that gate and the other guest or other members of that function will welcome to us. So that is how the real life flow of this nested if will look like. But what if the guest will not have a VIP pass? He just miss it at her home or at his home. In that case, what you guys think? So in that case, Java stops at the first gate itself, and that is nothing but your first if condition, which is called as outer if. So this is the golden rule of nested if. In order to get execute all the statements, you first need to satisfy outer if condition. If that becomes false, the entire program will stop execution at that moment only. So just remember, like if you don't have a valid VIP pass, it doesn't matter do you have a valid ID proof or not. You will simply get no entry. And inner condition is not even checked in that case. However and whoever you are, it doesn't matter. Alright, so this is how we have simply learned how nested if actually works. But in your mind, there might be one question, like where can we use this nested if? We have already seen if, then if else, then else if ladder, then where we can use this? So we can simply use these nested if when we are having dependent conditions or dependent decisions. What else if ladder gives us? It simply gives us multiple paths to choose between options. But what this nested if gives us? It will give us step-by-step dependency that will allow us to get deep inside a single path. So this is how we just learned beautiful concept of nested if, which comes under in conditional statements in Java. If you really enjoyed this video, make sure to like the video, subscribe to CodePaath and share this video with your friends. I will see you in the next video. Till then, keep learning and keep coding. Thank you all of you.